Today, I'll introduce the names of machines and tools, as well as how to operate them. Let's start with the grinder. The part where you put the coffee beans is called the hopper. To add beans, remove the lid and pour them in. There is a stopper at the bottom of the hopper. Pulling it towards you will release the beans into the grinder. To start grinding, you either press a button or, in this grinder, turn the dial. Once the grinder is complete, you are ready to prepare espresso. Next, we place the ground coffee into the handle part of the espresso machine. This part is called the group head or portafilter. The basket where the ground coffee sits and water flows through is called the filter basket. Before adding coffee, place the portafilter on a scale and zero out the weight to measure only the coffee. Then, measure the amount of coffee according to the recipe. With this grinder, pull the side lever firmly until it clicks, and repeat this process several times to dispense the coffee. Next, we evenly distribute the coffee grounds and apply pressure. To level the coffee, we use a distributor. It has a textured base, and by rotating it, the ground can be evenly distributed. Then, we use a tamper to apply pressure from above, ensuring the coffee is compacted evenly. This process is called tamping. Stand directly in front of the machine. Rotate your body 90 degrees. Keep your elbow at a 90-degree angle. Instead of pressing with your arm or hand, use your body weight to apply pressure. Now, the espresso is ready to be brewed. Before inserting the portafilter, run the extraction cycle once without coffee. This helps clean off any remaining coffee particles and preheat the shower head. Then, align the protruding part of the portafilter with the group head and slide it to the side to lock it in place. Place a cup or glass underneath, press the extraction button, and wait for around 30 seconds. This is the ideal extraction time for a well-balanced espresso. Next is milk steaming. Pour the milk into the milk jug. Before steaming, release steam briefly to clear any water inside. When you see steam coming out properly, start steaming. For this machine, turn the knob counterclockwise to begin steaming. During steaming, introduce the right amount of air depending on the coffee type. After incorporating enough air, start texturing the milk. To create a smooth swirl, tilt the jug slightly. Position the steam wand at an angle where the steam rebounds off the jug's wall. For right-hand barista, hold the jug handle with your left hand. Support the jug with your right hand. Fix the steam wand tip at 3.4 for stability. When the jug becomes too hot to touch, turn the knob clockwise to stop steaming. Finally, pour the steamed milk into the espresso and create a latte art.